इम्पोर्टेंट इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। आओ मिलकर इनकी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं।
She had to go. उसे जाना पड़ा। She had to eat. उसे खाना पड़ा। She had to come. उसे आना पड़ा। She had to try. उसे कोशिश करनी पड़ी। She had to learn. उसे सीखना पड़ा। She had to help. उसे मदद करनी पड़ी। She had to give. उसे देना पड़ा। She had to give. उसे देना पड़ा। She had to take. उसे लेना पड़ा। She had to take. उसे लेना पड़ा। She had to make. उसे बनाना पड़ा। She had to make. उसे बनाना पड़ा। She had to say. उसे कहना पड़ा। She had to say. उसे कहना पड़ा। Thank you for joining me. Follow for more videos.